So hello, I am Sachin Murari and this is the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. As you can see that it's scrambled from all the sides, and today I would be solving this cube. And while solving it I would tell you like how much have I done, how much is left, what's to be done next, what's the next step, and I would tell you stepwise on how to solve this cube. So this is the full scrambled one. It has no defined center, no edges, it has just corners. If you would compare it with a 3x3 which I am having right now, let me scramble it as fast as I can. Okay, so if you pay attention to these cubes, you would watch that it has a definite center, the piece with only one color. Like you can see, it's the yellow one, it's the blue one, it's the red one, it's the orange one, and it's the green one. And then talking about the edges, which have only two colors. This one, this one only has two colors. This one only has two colors. So these are called edges. And in this Rubik's cube, it has how many edges? Let me count. In the top layer, let's talk only about the top layer. It has four corners, okay, and four edges and one center. And if we talk about this 5x5 Rubik's cube, like it has also one centerpiece, but these are also the centerpieces as these only have one color too. And these three are the edges. Like yeah, this is also edge, this is also edge, this is also edge. In order to solve the whole Rubik's cube, you have to combine them all. And while doing so, I would tell you. So first of all, my main motive is to get the white center and make this complete 3x3 square a white square. So this is now a 3x3 square, white square. Now do the same with same thing and make a yellow square 3x3 here. As you can see, I have done it. Now do the same thing with the yellow center. This is the yellow center and make this a 3x3 orange square. Am I saying yellow? So let me do, okay. This goes here. This goes here. These two goes here. Go here. Okay. So this is the orange square. Now same thing with the blue piece. So I have to make the similar type of blue square. Would not be so difficult. Mm, yeah. So now I've made the blue square, and here is the catch. You have to do all these things without disturbing the white square or yellow square or the orange square you had just made. So now it's time to like make the red square and at the same time completing the green square. As you can see, the red square is done, the green is done. If you would pay close attention to the cube, now we have this whole part orange, like the whole center has been made. Now it's time for me to like set the edges. Let me show you an example of how to do it. Yeah. So as you can see, okay. As you can see, this is now one edge. Why? Because all these three colors are the same and all these three colors are the same. And yeah, see this edge. See this one. It has green on top and white on the on the front backside, my backside and your front side. And same is with this cube. This is whole green, this is the white. So this is one edge as per the 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So just I'm just telling the basic steps of how to do. I'm not teaching like how you have to do if you're solving the Rubik's cube, but I'm just giving you an idea of how the things work. So now I'm making the same two colored edge piece of white and, yeah, white and red color. Okay, I'm done making it. So this is whole red and white. Now it's time for the white and blue. Boom. Yeah. Boom boom. So now we have the orange white one, white and red one, and blue and white one. Three are enough. For the white color, three are enough, and just you have to put them in order like this. This is the order now. This whole thing matches. This whole thing matches. Okay, and this whole thing matches. And I am not done with this part. You can see this part. There is no white edge perfectly aligned with the blue one, because I am using this position to solve the other edges. So let me try to get this cube in the same position as this one is right now. Yeah, now both of them are in similar position. The orange one is done, and the green is done, and the red is done, and the fourth one is empty. So they are both in the same position. Now you know what I have to do. Let me just do that in this cube. No, let's not do. So we have to make the two colored, which are piece, which are called edges, for all the pieces. Like I have to solve all the edges. This is my next step, and let me do so. Yeah, one is done. Now time for the blue and orange. Boom. Yeah, the blue and orange is done. Now I would do green and red. Yeah. Move this one and do it. So here's the green and red one. Now it's time for the orange and yellow. Orange and yellow is done. Now time for green and yellow. Green and yellow is done. Now time for blue and white. Finally. Oops. A little mistake has been made by me. Hmm. It has been solved, but a lot of progress has been destroyed. Sometimes these type of blunders happen. I can't explain what really happened. So let me do again that step very fastly. Okay. Now let's do with the green and red one. Done. Now the green and white. Now this is green and white. Now it's time for the blue and red. Keep the red here. Okay. Now orange and okay, so this one will be done like this. Orange and yellow. Now red in yellow. Okay. It's here. Move it twice. Red and yellow. Now for okay, so now only two pieces are left. Two edges are left. So this step would have taken a lot lesser time if that mistake was not made by me. Abey yaar. One more. Okay, so now as you can see, everything is done. Now this cube is nothing more than this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. They both have to be solved in the same way now. So let me solve it very fast. It's already 13 minutes. Like my usual time to solve this Rubik's cube is around 6 minutes. Okay, so this is done, and in the next video I would solve it as fast as I can. Bye bye.